Hello students, let us understand the development of embryo. The development of embryo begins at the micropylar end of embryo sac only after a certain amount of endosperm is formed, so that assured nutrition to the developing embryo is provided. Now, the development of embryo in monocot and dicot is similar in the initial stages. The zygote will give rise to pro-embryo, and subsequently it is going to develop into globular, heart-shaped and a mature embryo. Let's have a look. Here, that's the zygote. Zygote is going to develop into pro-embryo. Pro-embryo develops into a globular embryo, which gives rise to the heart-shaped embryo, and ultimately a mature embryo is formed. Let's have a look at the structure of a dicot embryo. The dicot embryo comprises of two cotyledons. There is an embryonal axis. The embryonal axis has got two regions, that is the hypocotyle and epicotyle. Epicotyle क्या है? The region above the level of cotyledons is epicotyle. Epicotyle terminates into a region called as plumule. Plumule is going to give rise to the shoot system as the seed germinates. Hypocotyle. Hypocotyle क्या है? The region below the level of cotyledon is called as hypocotyle. Hypocotyle terminates into radicle, the region which is going to give rise to the root system in the plant. Radicle has got a covering called as the root cap, the root apical meristem, which will form the root cap in future. Talking about monocot embryo. Monocot embryo has got a single cotyledon which is called as scutellum, which is located on the lateral side of the endosperm. It has got an embryonal axis. Embryonal axis का जो lower region है, it is called as hypocotyle. Hypocotyle terminates in a protective sheath called as coleorhiza. अब ये जो coleorhiza है, it encloses radicle, which is going to form the root in the plant as the seed germinates. जो upper region है embryonal axis का, which is attached above the level of cotyledon, is called as epicotyle. Epicotyle terminates into a sheath called as coleoptile. अब ये जो coleoptile है, it encloses 2 to 4 leaf primordia, which are called as the plumule. Plumule is going to give rise to the shoot system as the seed germinates. So that's about monocot and dicot embryo. Thank you for watching.